How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You join me today on a sunny Saturday for a change. I've been wanting to do these last couple of installs on my BMW for the last couple of weeks, but obviously it's been pissing it down, so I've not had the chance. Today we're going to be fitting my KSB Autostyling side skirts and then probably do my rear spats probably next week. But, a big but, just before we get into the video, the BMW is now for sale, believe it or not. I've only had the car 4 months, done about 2,500 miles since I've had it. And I've actually placed a deposit on another car, which I'm really excited about. If you follow me on Instagram or have my, if you follow my Facebook account, you will know what I'm going to be buying. So click the links below. The car's now on Auto Trader and Facebook Marketplace. So again, I'll put the links to the car sale post down below in the description. I knew I wasn't going to keep the car for ages, but I didn't expect it to be gone. I say gone, it's not sold yet. But I didn't expect to sell the car so soon. But something came up that I couldn't really say no to. I saw it go up a couple of weeks ago. I've been messaging the garage since. It's all the way up in Halifax. I'll have to get it delivered here because it'll cost me and my dad well over probably about 500 quid to get there and back. So yeah, probably going to get that delivered. But if you want to buy the car, the BMW, if you're interested, have a look at the links below. Might be the one for you. And one last thing, just before we get into the installation, I've just hit 900 subs on YouTube. So thank you all very, very much. We are very close to hitting that 1,000 mark. It might be that by the time my car sells and I've got the new car, we might hit 1,000, so that'd be pretty cool timing. But yeah, if you enjoy what you see today, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's do it. So there she is, gleaming, probably for the last time, unless I give it one quick wash before the next person wants to come and view. We're joined today by some nice sun, so it should be a pretty straightforward install. Gonna jack the car up either side, get my old man to help me again to hold these skirts in place while I fix them in. That won't work. So I was going to jack it up and then fix it on, but the jack is only just going to fit underneath the OEM skirts anyway. So when I go to fit the KSB skirts, I won't be able to get the jack back out again, it's going to touch. So I might jack up the car, put a block under the wheels, so then I've got a bit more height. So these are the skirts themselves, which will come with self-tappers and some washers. They're already pre-drilled from KSB, so it'll be a matter of putting them up under the car and just screwing them in. Pretty simple. I think they do go this way. Because you see what I mean? The front and the back is very slightly different shape. So that's cut away for the mud guard.
I've got
The thing is, if you go to the front, is that I need you to look at the car. That ain't right, is it?
No.
It has to be the other way then.
So you need
That's that one. If you go to the front of the car, do they need to go forward more?
Yeah, forward more.
How's that look? About right?
Yeah.
Yeah? So they're even on both sides?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah?
Ever so slightly forward a bit more.
Yeah. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right. Can you grab the electrical tape or something? See if we can hold it up a minute.
How the hell are we going to do that?
On either side, lengthways. If you grab it, I'll tell you what to do. At the front to under the wheel arch, probably going to want a long piece in there. That might be right. said really long.
Do one bit and then do the other bit.
So like we did with the splitter, we've got it where we want it, put a piece of electrical tape either side and in the middle to hold it, and then we'll go underneath and screw through all the holes. God, this is going to be a very long process. Well, I didn't bother filming every single screw because that would be so boring, but that is the first skirt on. If you can imagine when this is on the floor, sat with the front splitter, it's really going to tie in really nicely. Right, so off camera, flip the car around, done the same process, taped it up, and I'll time lapse this side. There we have it, guys, the car is completely finished. I'll tell you what, that looks insane. I must admit, I didn't have the biggest attachment with this car, but I will miss it when it's gone. It looks awesome. I understand that this was a bit of a shorter video today, but I just wanted to give you a brief update of the car situation, the fact that I've placed a deposit on another car, and to show you an install of the skirts, because I wanted to do that anyway. I think I might put the spats on tomorrow, so I'll put that in a video with the next update as to what's happening with the car. So yeah. So guys, I will be wrapping the video up here. Just taking in how good it looks. It looks so clean. Those skirts really do set it off as well. So if you are interested in this car, like I said at the beginning, links in the description will take you to Auto Trader and Facebook Marketplace. I'm not trying to make this some sort of sale post, but just so you got the specs here now. It's a 2011 61 plate, 320D M Sport. It's done 72,700 miles, 184 brake horsepower, 280 foot-pounds of torque. As you can see, it's in mint condition. I'll be giving the car a good polish before I actually sell it anyway to whoever wants it. Full service history. I'm going to be it's booked in for its MOT a week on Wednesday, so it will have 12 months MOT for the new buyer. The previous MOT had no advisories at all, so it's mint. So yeah, anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to wrap it up there. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next week. Peace.